Hello everyone. Today we will learn how to design and create a pig-shaped planter for your garden. So, let's get started. We'll begin by going to the Sora website, which allows us to create AI-generated images. We will enter the following prompt. Create a 3D model of a pig-shaped plant pot. After the generation is complete, we can see that 2 images were created. We will choose the image that we like the most. Now we'll move on to creating a 3D model from the image. To continue, we first need to remove the plant from the image. We can remove the plant using Sora or Nano Banana. After the plant has been removed from the image, we'll move on to creating a file for 3D printing. We can create the file using MakerLab on the MakerWorld website, or by using Tencent, which is a free platform. After deciding which platform to use to download the 3D printer-ready file, we'll import it into the printer's slicer and customize our pig model. It's very important to add supports in the slicer before printing. I also like to add a brim to prevent the model from moving during printing. You can also play with the colors and change them according to your preference. Once you're finished, it's time to slice the model and send it to the printer. And that's it. Our model is ready for printing. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.